Welcome to DrivenDaily, your trusted hub for high-end automotive reviews where passion meets performance. Today, we're diving into a true masterpiece of automotive craftsmanship, the 2025 Rolls Royce Boat Tail. This car is not just transportation, it's a symbol of legacy, luxury, and bespoke design taken to a level few can imagine, let alone afford. Built for those who view vehicles as extensions of their lifestyle and identity, the Boat Tail is less about numbers and more about narrative. Every detail tells a story and every curve is a brushstroke in a rolling piece of art. The 2025 Rolls Royce Boat Tail is the epitome of bespoke engineering. Only a handful of these will ever be created, and each one is custom built to reflect the owner's personal tastes, from the color of the paint to the materials in the picnic set hidden in the rear deck. It rides on the same platform as the Phantom, known as the architecture of luxury, which allows Rolls-Royce to integrate cutting-edge technology with old-world craftsmanship seamlessly. Under the hood, it carries a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. Though exact horsepower figures are not emphasized by the brand, it delivers smooth, whisper-quiet performance with effortless acceleration. This is not a car made for speed, it's made for presence. The Boat Tail's exterior is simply stunning. Inspired by luxury yachts, the rear of the car features a wooden deck that opens up like butterfly wings to reveal a hosting suite complete with champagne fridges, high-end cutlery, and shaded stools. The attention to detail here is almost unbelievable. From the hand-polished aluminum detailing to the rose gold accents and custom Pantheon grille, this is a vehicle that turns every street into a red carpet. The two-tone paint finish is layered over several weeks, ensuring an ultra-deep mirror-like finish that changes in tone depending on lighting conditions. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a high-end art gallery than a car interior. The seats are wrapped in the softest leathers, stitched by hand, and color-matched to the exterior. The dashboard features handcrafted wood veneers, metal inlays, and even a custom-made timepiece designed in collaboration with luxury watchmakers. The control layout is minimal but functional, with hidden buttons and an intuitive infotainment system that remains discreet unless needed. Noise isolation is, as expected, near perfect, allowing you to glide through the world in complete silence, save for the soft hum of the engine. In terms of features, the Boat Tail offers everything one would expect in a multi-million-dollar vehicle. Adaptive air suspension makes every ride smooth, regardless of road surface. The infotainment system supports full smartphone integration and can be controlled via voice, touch, or gesture. There are bespoke umbrellas that deploy from the doors, a cooling system to preserve wine at just the right temperature, and even a deployable canopy to provide shade when the rear hosting suite is in use. Safety systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, night vision, and 360-degree cameras, ensuring a secure and serene driving experience. What truly sets the Boat Tail apart is its individuality. No two models are the same, and the level of personalization available is unmatched in the automotive world. Owners work directly with Rolls-Royce's design team, sometimes over years, to bring their vision to life. This is not just buying a car, it's commissioning a legacy. The 2025 Boat Tail is not for everyone, and that's precisely the point. It's for the select few who seek absolute uniqueness and are willing to invest millions into an object that represents their story, their taste, and their presence. It's rolling sculpture, a private yacht on wheels, a celebration of what can happen when engineering and artistry are given unlimited freedom. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into the 2025 Rolls Royce Boat Tail. If you enjoyed content that celebrates the finest machines on land, air, and beyond, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is DrivenDaily, where luxury meets motion, and every ride has a story.